The 567 has one key for cab doors and ignition. The frame-mounted toolbox, battery, and locking fuel tank caps each have their own individual keys. To lock or unlock the doors from outside the cab, insert the key in the lock. Turn the key clockwise to unlock, counterclockwise to lock. The remote keyless entry option is a system that adds security and convenience to your vehicle. The system will lock or unlock the cab doors with the key fob. The system will alert you with parking lights when the doors are locked or unlocked. Both the key and the dashboard have an exterior light test button. To start the exterior light self-test feature, park the vehicle and set the parking brake, insert the key into the ignition, start the engine, and allow the vehicle to run through its own power-on self-test. Press the self-test switch on the dash momentarily to start the test.